Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your Gcash app is updated and fully verified so purchases go smoothly. This prevents holds. Once done, load enough funds into wallet or link a bank/debit card to cover the minimum RTB amount and any fees. Then, tap Invest Money or G-Invest and find the retail treasury bond listing. That's where you'll begin. Make sure to read the short listing summary before proceeding so you know minimums and the offering window. You now select the specific RTB product and inspect the tenor, coupon rate, and minimum subscription. Once you understand the timeline and returns, enter the exact amount you want to invest, don't guess. Next, review the payment breakdown so you see the principal, any fees, and expected interest. After that, accept the disclosures and hit Confirm. Finally, approve the payment in wallet or by linked bank and enter the one-time PIN or OTP to authorize the transaction. You finish by checking the immediate on-screen receipt and then your investment history to verify allocation status. This confirms whether you were allotted RTB units. If payment failed, transfer the missing funds and retry as instructed. Make sure to note the interest payment schedule and maturity date so you know when funds become available. If anything goes wrong, contact Gcash support with your transaction ID. That single troubleshooting step resolves most allocation or payment errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.